share and support this practice and this sacred space. Thank you so much. And the oils and the book and other goodies are out front. Big thanks to Adrian and Luke for holding this space for us. Thank you so much.